What karate means to me. Karate means to me more than just an exercise routine, more than basic self-defense and all the other stereotypical images that come to mind when one thinks of karate. Karate is a part of who I am. Karate means to me a way to push the negative emotions out, to relieve stress after a hard day. It means a way to learn something besides academics, something that could help you out in the real world and on the streets where they fight with fists rather than words and knowledge. Karate has taught me many things. It has taught me first off to defend myself physically in times of danger, but more than that, it has taught me to mentally never to give up. No matter how tired or how sore you are, you simply must keep going. You must convince yourself that you are able to keep going, because if it were a life or death situation, there would be no timeouts or breaks. You would have to keep on pushing through. I feel that karate has trained me well for this. Karate has also taught me to be confident in myself and my actions. You can't second guess yourself in a fight, because even that 1 second of hesitation could cost you your life. You also have to have an air of confidence around you at all times so that people do not take advantage of you. You can get so much further in life if you have confidence in yourself. Karate has taught me this while at the same time actually boosting my confidence. Karate has taught me this and so much more. Karate is a part of me and my life, something that I couldn't imagine myself not doing.